In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate form on Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of any form you can edit without touching the original. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Forms website and sign into your account. On the home page, look for the section that shows your recent forms. This is the quickest way to find the form you want to copy. Click the form to open it in the editor. Once the form is open, move your eyes to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called More Options. Click that menu to reveal additional actions for the form. From that menu, choose Collaborate or Duplicate. This opens a panel that gives you two important choices, one for collaboration and one for creating a duplicate. For making a copy, select Get a Link to Duplicate. This creates a special template link that lets you spin up your own version of the form with the same questions and settings, but none of the original responses. You'll also notice an option labeled Add Collaborators. Click this if you want to review or manage who can edit the original form with you. It's handy for teamwork, but it won't affect the template link you're about to use to make your copy. Now, click Copy next to the duplicate link. This puts the template link on your clipboard. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar, then press Enter. You'll land on a share page specifically designed for duplicating the form. On this page, click Duplicate this form to use as your own. Microsoft Forms will confirm that it's creating a new copy in your account. When prompted, click Duplicate it to finish. Your new form opens immediately in the editor. Give it a clear name, review the settings, and make any changes you need. The duplicate includes the structure, questions, themes, and most settings from the original, but it does not copy any existing responses, which keeps your new version clean. Changes you make to the duplicate won't affect the original form, and vice versa. A few tips as you wrap up. If the menu looks different, make sure you're in the form's design view rather than the responses view. If you're in an organization, your admin settings may control who can collaborate or duplicate forms. Finally, double-check the response settings, branching, and who can fill out the form before you share it. That's it. You've duplicated a Microsoft form and are ready to customize and share your new version.